Hey, how's it going? So I'm going to show you how to get your Harley started. This works for at least a lot of the newer Harleys. Mine's an 07 Sportster, and right now the starter relay isn't working. So when I turn on the ignition, see, I get the engine light. It means the fuel pump's working, but when I press the run button, I'm not getting anything. Down here, you might be able to hear it. That clicking, that's coming from the starter relay, which is right there. This one on the top, and the one right below it is for the fuel injection, and that's called the system relay, and that powers a few of the other things when your bike is running. It's a little bit handy that both of them, at least on my bike and I think on a lot of other newer Harleys, both these relays are the same. So in my case, this top relay for my starter was fine, but the fuel injection one was bad. So when I would go to turn on my bike and I'd flip the run switch, I'd get that engine light there. See if I can get it again. So I would get that light on, but it would stay on, which is indicating that something was wrong with the system, in my case the fuel injection. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to start the bike. If you have the same problem that I had, you can just switch those relays out, because the starter relay you only need just while you're cranking over the motor. After that, it's fine. But the system relay on the bottom, you're going to need that the entire time the bike is running. So this little trick, what you got to do, you're not going to be able to see it here, but there's two little contacts in there that, so when you hit the run switch, it sends a signal to the relay, and then it connects, basically connects the two ends in there and sends power to the starter. So basically I'm going to kind of cheat the system right now. So you got the bike and run. What you're going to want to do is take something metal, and more importantly, wear a thick glove so you're not going to shock the hell out of yourself, because there's a lot of current going through that relay, so you want to make sure you don't hurt yourself. So anyway, I'm going to stick the key in here, and it's these two relays, or these two contacts on the left side of the relay here that I want to get in contact. There might be a little bit of sparks, but you'll see it'll crank the thing over just fine and have it started in no time.